guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to show you this quick hairstyle I did on a friend, and she is been amazing. And yes, so at the end of this video she called me a hair engineer, like seriously. So guys, I'm gonna quickly show you what I'm doing because she has lovely hair, honestly. So I'm just doing like braid pattern around the perimeter of her hairline. And when you're doing this, make sure that your braids are loose, not tight. And of course, I'm just braiding her hair because her hair is nice, good texture, and so we didn't need to add any hair extension. So I continued to braid the hair around, and when I came to the middle, I kind of joined it up together. So you know, it's optional, you can do it how you want it. So I just joined it together. So today I'm using this hair she bought this hair. She brought it herself, so I think if I have the link, I'm gonna put it down in the description box for you guys to see. If not, I don't know, I might ask her if you're interested. But one thing you must know is that the hair is beautiful, but the space for the loop to hook on your hair and pass through the waves is quite tight. So she bought loads. I think we used about 10, I'm not sure, but she came with like 16 packs. Yeah, she loves her hair full. All right, so guys, so I started adding the hair from the back, and this hair was supposed to take less than an hour to install, but because we're finding the space on the tip of the twist very small and hard to pass through, it took longer time. But guys, at the end of the day, it came out fine, and so that's what is most important. And one other thing I would like to tell you is that when you are putting the crochet on on the hair, make sure that you pass on top of the braid, not under. Just the braid, just go through the braid on top, so that you don't create tension. And because this hair wasn't opening well for us to pass through the the other part of it, I was feeling really bad that her hair was gonna hurt. But she called me when she got home, like she slept like a baby. It wasn't any bother. So guys, so this is what the coils look like. She's using two colors here, and I actually was like, when I first saw the colors, I was like, how is this gonna be like? But guys, it's amazing. I love both colors together. It kind of cool the blonde kind one, the brown blonde one, cool the the red one, if you understand what I mean. So which is really nice. So yeah, we continue adding hair until the front, and yeah, I'll let you watch what we are doing, then I'll come and talk to you guys, and make sure you watch to the end. And my friend here, she's on Instagram, she's on YouTube also. I'm gonna put the link to her YouTube channel, the link to her Instagram page for you to see. And she also does amazing stuff, like she does design. I'm gonna insert her design also in this video. And yeah, she's on Instagram as Overlay Couture. I'm going to put the link, everything down for you to see. Make sure you check it out, and like her page, follow her on Instagram also. So guys, yeah, I'll let you to watch this video and talk to you soon. Bye.
Hi guys, so I've just been to my hair engineer. You like? I feel like a queen. She's the best, I tell you. Oh my goodness. Check her channel out. It's Chide Loves You on YouTube. You are not gonna regret it, I tell you. Bye. Bye.